and we had a video we put out probably 2 years ago. That all of a sudden like grew and blew up, and it was like our biggest video. Hit 50.
Oh my god, this is fucking cat food.
What the fuck did you just do?
Cat food. I love peanuts.
What?
You just eat cat.
You guys got a trash can?
No, you have to swallow it.
I'm not swallowing
You
it.
have to.
What do you mean? I'm talking about serious conversation, and you're eating cat food.
No, that is cat food with like a cat with a damaged kidney.
I'm still excited to see the footage of him just reaching in and grabbing it. Do you just eat?
Okay, you guys continue.
You have to swallow. No, you have to chew and swallow, bud.
I'm gonna fucking throw up if I do. I can't.
No, it's
I thought it was peanuts. It tastes like vitamins right now.
No, it tastes like goldfish. It's fine. Just chew and swallow. He's literally. What the fuck happened? He's explaining that to the people out there. He's like, no, this is cat soup. What the? What?
I'm talking about a like situation. He just goes, wait a second. Wait. He goes, wait a second. This is cat food. What do you mean? That was never a bowl of snacks next to you. That was the cat food always.
No, that's pregnant.
Dude, if you guys didn't tune in on YouTube, go watch this clip right now. I haven't even seen it, but I'm gonna love watching it because as I'm talking, I just want to see him go like this and reach.
And see how many he put in.
Dude, it looked like he put a lot in, and he was putting. It looked like he was doing like one of those drop-ins.
He's like, and he goes, this is cat food.
Moist money moment right here.
Oh my god.
Biggest.
Holy shit. What the fuck?